And what is up everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Discord server on your phone in a really easy and quick way. So first, simply open the Discord app on your mobile device and log in. Then simply tap on the plus icon on the left sidebar to start creating a new server. Next, you can then choose create my own server or select a template if you want a pre-designed setup. Now it's actually time to give your server a name and also upload a server icon if you like. And after that, you can then invite your friends by tapping invite members, or you can also skip this step to add them later. Now you can also customize channels and roles right away from the server settings. And once you're done, your Discord server will then be ready to go. And you can then start chatting, sharing and building your community directly from your phone. And that's it. So that's how to create a Discord server on your phone. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.